guys, it's Tracy, and today I'm back with another empties video. You know, when you see the basket full, it's time to unload so that we can get rid of the trash. I got a new little friend back here. If you guys can see my little tree, it lights up, like it'll twinkle and then it'll just stay on. Is it twinkling? Yeah, it's twinkling. So I got that. I thought it was super cute. Okay, let's get into my trash here so I can throw it away. First up here, I have the Amica Keep Your Color Conditioner. This is with sea buckthorn berry oblifica. It says it maintains vibrant color. So you see it's a big bottle. I use like twice as much conditioner as I do shampoo because I only wash my hair like once a week, but the other days when I wet it, I do condition it. But I usually condition it with this one if it's a day that I'm not washing. This is the Amica Nice Cream Cleansing Conditioner. Also has the sea buckthorn in it, and it gently cleanses and weightlessly hydrates. So this one I use when I wash, and this one I use when I don't wash. So this is like a cleansing conditioner. And I have already replaced both of these. And one of them that I got this time actually has a pump on it. So I was like, yeah. And then let's see, we got this Diva Curl. I don't really buy Diva Curl anymore because I don't want my hair to fall out. That's what they're all saying anyway, is that it's causing people's hair to fall out. So I'm not down with losing my hair, but I'm trying to get this put back together. This is like a liter size from Cosmoprof, and this is their Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. And I liked it. It worked really nice. I got it super cheap. It was on clearance at Cosmoprof for $9.99, and then I also got like the employee discount on it from my daughter. She used to work there. She doesn't work there anymore. So no more discounts, only pro discount. So that I do not have. I did not repurchase, nor will I be repurchasing, because like I said, there's a whole bunch of stuff going on the Reddit, and like that people's hair has been falling out. So I don't know. I don't need, I mean, I have a lot of hair. You guys know how much hair I have, but I don't want to lose any of it. So not going to be using that for now. Then I have from the Cream Shop this Charcoal Almond Fusion Black Sheet Mask. It says the benefit of 2 masks in one, and it was made in Korea, directly from my local discount store. I paid 50 cents for it, and I thought it was nice. It says it has almond oil that is a natural emollient that deeply moisturizes skin, and that the charcoal draws out toxins to purify and clear skin. I don't know, you know, it's hard for me to tell anything with my skin. Like, it takes so long to, you know, I mean, I put it on, it felt good, it felt nice, it was relaxing. I took it off, I massaged all the serum stuff in, and it felt nice. So I would buy it again at my discount store. Then we have some makeup removing wipes. These are from Bolero. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. This is the hibiscus and red clay, pink clay. Then I got the pineapple, coconut, and lime, and the coconut cream and vanilla. These are nice. They're a good, decent size. I don't use them as my only means of removing makeup or anything. I might just wipe a little bit or wipe my eyeshadow off, but I still have to go in and like double cleanse. Just I use those if I'm in a hurry to try to, you know, do, or to wipe off swatches. So let's see, next up here, Beauty 360 Ultra Strong Stitched Cotton Rounds. I got these at my local discount store for $1.99. I actually did not care for these because they, like it says, they're stitched, so duh, can you read? But I didn't really look at the packaging, so it's kind of flat on one side, and it doesn't really give you, I didn't feel like it cleaned as good as like a puffy piece of cotton did. So I think I have one more of those like in a backup, but I won't buy them again. And the wipes, if I need them again, I'll buy them again. Let's see, some hand soaps. This is the one for the kitchen by Soft Soap. It's called Kitchen Fresh Hands Antibacterial Soap. Has citrus extract in it, which is supposed to be good to like get onion smell off your hands. And then I have the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Acorn Spice Scent Hand Soap. This one smelled really good. It was like kind of like reminds you of like Thanksgiving time, that kind of smell. And then this was fine. I would buy it again if I need it. I have a Dove Cotton Soft 48-hour moisturizing cream. It's not really a cream, it's a spray deodorant. So I like Dove. I would buy that again. Then I have this. This is from Ahava. It's a leave-on Dead Sea Endermid Intensive Foot Cream. It says dry and sensitive skin relief. And I used it all. I got it in a FabFitFun starter box. And it says on the front foot cream, but then on the back it says you can use it on your hands or anywhere. So I strictly used it on my fingers because you guys know the pain that my fingers have been in. And I've been doing that along with, my doctor told me just to slather them with Vaseline. So they are looking a little bit better. They're not as sore as they were, but I haven't had any nail polish or anything on them. I'm just leaving them alone. But I use that, and that could have been it might have helped my fingers too. And I looked to see how much it is. It's like $30 for one little tube of that. So I need to find somebody that got a FabFitFun box that has one that they want to get rid of. Any takers? So, okay, we have my vitamins. We have my magnesium citrate, my Maxi Skin Collagen plus C plus A. I'm on my last bottle of that, and then I have no more. Then my skin's going to go downhill. Then I have my Super B Complex, another of the Maxi Skin, my Biotin. What is this one? 1,000 micrograms. I think I take 5,000 now. Another of the Maxi Skin. So this is 3 months worth here. The vitamins I've all repurchased. These, no, I haven't repurchased. They're $15 a bottle at Sprouts, and I picked them up at my local discount store for 99 cents. So I've been hunting at the discount store for them now. So if I see them there, I will repurchase them. Then we have some skincare. I have the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum and the Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum. These were both really good. They worked fine. They're pretty much equivalent to the Ordinary. So I just kind of interchangeably use either their niacinamide or the Ordinary. So whichever one I can get the easiest. Lots of times it's the Ordinary because you can go to Ulta, and if they don't carry it in your store, you can get a free shipping card and then just have it shipped to you. So that's what I do most of the time, is I'll get it from Ulta because I can get the free shipping. And then I have this Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. I used the whole bottle, but I didn't really notice like that it brightened my skin or really anything. So I can't say that I would repurchase that. I finished up one of the Wet n Wild Coconut Setting Spray. I finished up last year's birthday gift from Sephora. This was the Proteiny Peptide Cream, and I really like this. But it's $68, I think. So I won't be buying that. But I did hear someone say that Acure has a product that is called a whipped something. I think I wrote it down. And it's like $15. Or I put it in my Amazon basket. Yeah, I put it in my Amazon basket. So when I've worked through some of the ones that I'm trying to work through, I will try the Acure one and see how that is. I just like the texture of it, and it just felt nice. Then we have some Strivectin Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream. I didn't notice that it did anything extraordinary. Then I have a little sample of the Garnier Skin Active Waterproof Micellar Water. I got this from my friend Lori. It works pretty good to get like your stubborn mascara off. I have my last of my L'Oreal Brow Plumper. I think they discontinued this. So that was my last one. I finished up a perfume. This is from Victoria's Secret, and it was called Love Star. Smelled really good. My daughter had bought that for me. And then my beloved shampoo. This is the Raspberry Plum Color Enhancing Shampoo by Bandit Hair. And they've discontinued this. And I'm so bummed because this was the only one that we could find. It's like the color of the bottle. It's a dark, deep plum. So it did help to like extend my color. So they have discontinued that color. And now I've moved on to something from Kenra. I'm going to be trying once my hair gets dyed again. I'm going to get ready to get it done. Was going to be this weekend because my daughter was going to a hair class, but the hair class got canceled because of the coronavirus. So I don't think she's going to be coming. So it won't be this weekend, but sometime. I have a bottle of prenatal vitamins I took just because they're a multivitamin. If it's good enough for pregnant people, I can take it too. I finished up this little lip balm my daughter had bought me, and the little pineapple came off. I tried to glue it in there and it wouldn't glue, so I guess I just have to throw it away. Then I have this Dr. Brandt's Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleep Mask. This felt really nice on my skin. I don't think it's worth the $50 price tag or however much it is. That's what I like about getting BoxyCharm, is that you get stuff you wouldn't pay for. Like, you wouldn't spend that money on it, but if you get it in a box, like, it's awesome. And then I have a cotton rounds. These ones come from the Dollar Tree. They're okay. They're nothing like spectacular. Then I'm getting rid of this Wet n Wild, what is this, their Photo Focus Concealer. It's just gone bad. I finished up another lip balm. This was a Burt's Bees, and this is their Flavor Crystals. This was orange. My lonely little sponge, this is the e.l.f. sponge, has to go. It's tearing and I really like it. It's a good sponge if you need one. They're $4 or $5 at Walmart. But the best ones are from Shop Miss A, so $1. Then I finished up my Hemp's Age Defying Herbal Body Moisturizer, which is a hydrating and firming. I cannot testify to the firming. The hydrating, yes, I don't know that my body got any firmer. And I used the whole bottle. So, and then I got an Amazon package the other day and I was like, I didn't order anything. So I asked my daughter, did you order something from Amazon to the house? And she was like, well, open it up. And I opened it up and it's a bottle of this in a coconut watermelon and a body shower or body wash in coconut or watermelon coconut. I don't know, one of the two. So she sent me a nice little gift through the mail. Love Amazon. And then let's see, next up here, we have this Ultra Repair Cream, Ultra Intense Hydration for Parched Skin. And I think this is like scented or something, but it just didn't smell right. It smelled like the oils had gone bad in it. Or maybe I just don't like the scent. Let's see. Yeah, it's got a very, very strong, I don't know if it's grapefruit, and it smells like it's gone bad. So I'm not going to be using that. And then last but not least, this is a remnant from my birthday last month. And my daughter got me a few of these, and this is the first one. This is called Platinum Premium Cannabis Products. This was a cannabis-infused chocolate bar, sea salt, and 75% dark chocolate. So it was a big bar, and you know, it's like all divided up. So at nighttime, I would just take like a little piece and eat it before I'd go to bed. And sometimes I ended up falling asleep without taking my sleeping pill. So, and it tastes good. Doesn't get you high though, just in case you're wondering. Nobody getting high from a chocolate bar. Now, maybe if you ate the whole bar at once, you might, but I wouldn't do that. So that, my friends, is gonna do it for my empties for the past couple months or more. And then, I don't think I said what was on my eyes. I have the Midas and Smokey Glow palette on. Been playing with this for the past few days. It's nice, so far so good. And then on my lips, I have the Fenty Mademoiselle, and this is in the shade Single. Got that in my Boxy Premium. That was, if you missed any of the unboxings, I'll have them popped up in the screen here so you can go ahead and watch them. So that's going to do it for my empties. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel, helps every channel that you watch that you give the thumbs up to, because that shows engagement instead of just watching and being like, oh well, everybody else thumbs it up. Not everybody does. So if you're watching, please thumbs it up. Anybody you're watching, thumbs up their video. Even if you don't like their video, thumbs it down. It's still engagement. So make sure that you give this a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And that's going to do it. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, I thank you so much for watching. If you're new, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And that's going to do it. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.